Next, I'm going to go over to my next icon, which is Arrange Documents. Right now, I don't have any other documents on the screen. So if I made a new window, it would simply make a new window of the existing document. I'm going to go back and I'm going to remove one of the documents by clicking on the X. If I wanted to bring in another document to view, I could simply go over to File Open and either browse in my bridge or open it the old-fashioned way, File Open. Let me go back to those course sample files. I'm just going to pick something really quick over here, like Fish PSD, which happens to be a Photoshop file. I know that because I also see the format Photoshop and the extension PSD. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I now have two documents active on my application frame. I'm going to click in between the two. One is Fish, the other is Ducky. I can also see information about those particular files at the top of their tabs. I'm not going to work on Fish right now, so I'm going to close that down. The next item is Screen Mode. If I hold that, I can pull that down and see that there's Standard Screen Mode, Full Screen Mode with Menu Bar. Let's go back to Standard Screen Mode and see the difference. Right now we're in Standard, then Full Screen Mode with Menu Bar. See how it changes? Next, we're going to go to Full Screen Mode, and it will warn you that everything will be hidden. So take caution when you try to come back into it, that in order to get back, you want to press the letter F or Escape. So if we go to full screen now, we'd want to press Escape to get out of it, or the F. Now you've seen the new application frame and application bar in Adobe Photoshop CS4. I'm sure you can find some new uses for it. I know I have. If you're a veteran from Adobe Photoshop previous versions, you probably had all kinds of crazy different ways that you had to work around rotating a view or a canvas, or maybe taking the transform tool and rotating. Whatever it may be, this is going to be very helpful. I'm sure you could find some uses for it too.